This is the Tecno Camon 20. It has not been officially launched, so I only have few details about this device. But so far, we know the specifications inside the phone, such as the design, the storage, the processor, camera, display, and battery capacity. One thing in particular we don't know yet is the price, and I really don't want to speculate or guess, considering that there will be other devices in this series. So here's what I want you to do. Guess the price in the comment section below. If you are 2,000 naira close to the price, either 2,000 naira above it or 2,000 naira below it, you win the prize. When I make the complete review video of this Camon 20, the price must have been out, and I will mention the names of all those who won. So see the pinned comment in this video for further details. Camon 20 is just one of the phones we are expecting in the Camon 20 series. At least there should be up to 5 phones in this series. Camon 20, Camon 20i, Camon 20p, Camon 20 Pro, and Camon 20 5G. In this video, I will provide a surface review of the Camon 20. In a few days' time, I will make a full review video of this phone. First off, bear in mind that this is a 4G device and not 5G. The Camon 20 comes with a 5000 mAh battery. I don't know the wattage of the charger in the box. I can't tell how long it will take to charge the battery. It is built on Android 13 and the HiOS version is 13 as well. This variant is powered by an Helio G85 processor, 256 gig of storage, and 8 gig of RAM that is expandable by another 8 gig through memory fusion. Design-wise, it has a triple camera setup. The primary camera has a 64 megapixel sensor. It also has a quad flashlight here. And this is by far the most beautiful flashlight I've ever seen in any phone. The patterns at the back make sense. I will just conclude that the design of the Camon 20 is top-notch. What else I think is top-notch right now is subscribing to my channel and liking this video. That's how you get to see more of my videos, especially when I review the complete review of this Tecno Camon 20. It has a SIM house in the left corner, a power key and volume buttons in the right corner. There is a speaker at the top and another one at the bottom, along with a Type-C charging port, a microphone, and an audio jack. I suspect that the display is an AMOLED display because of the front camera. After digging deeper, my suspicion was correct. So this is an AMOLED display of 1080 by 2400 pixel resolution. No information on the display brightness yet, but it gets really bright. Good for watching movies, playing games, and browsing the internet. Talk about the camera. It has a 64 megapixel main camera, a 2 megapixel depth camera, and a QVGA sensor at the back. The back camera supports all the usual camera modes, including Super Night mode and Slow Motion mode. In the main review video, I will be sure to provide detailed information on this back camera. The front camera with a 32 megapixel sensor supports all the modes in the back camera except for the Pro mode and Document mode. I really love the selfie camera because it has a lot of detail and maintains great color balance. Tell me what you think about the Tecno Camon 20 in the comments section below. This is the Tecno Phantom V Fold, Tecno's first foldable phone and Tecno's most expensive device as well. Check it out and meet me there again.